Hello viewers, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Hope you are doing well. So in the last lecture number 12, we have studied how to find the distance between two parallel lines, and we have solved one application of that theory. So in today's lecture, we are going to solve the exercise number 11.2 of NCERT class 12 book part 2. So without wasting any time, let's go to the blackboard. So here we can see the first problem. So that the three lines with direction cosines this are mutually perpendicular. So in that problem, three lines have been given and their direction cosines are given, that is LMN. Say L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2 and L3 M3 N3 are given. So we have to find that they are mutually perpendicular. So in our previous lectures, namely the theory, find the angle between two lines, we have studied one particular case that if two lines are given with their direction cosines or maybe direction ratios, if direction ratios of one line is A1 B1 C1 and another line is A2 B2 C2, if they are perpendicular to each other, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. That particular case we are going to use in that problem. So we'll see. Here let the line 1 has direction cosines, say L1 M1 N1 equal to 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Let the line 2 has direction cosines, say L2 M2 N2 equal to 4 by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13, and let the line 3 has direction cosines, say L3 M3 N3 equal to what? 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 12 by 13. So first we will show that line 1 is perpendicular to line 2. So we are going to show that L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. So check that in the next slide. Here L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to, see previous page, 12 by 13 into 4 by 13, 12 by 13 into 4 by 13 minus 3 by 13 into 12 by 13. Previous page, minus 4 by 13 into 3 by 13. Minus 4 by 13 into 3 by 13. So equal to 48, 36 by 169, 36, 48, 36, for 12, this is 12. 12 by 169. So this is equal to 169, 48 minus 48 equal to 0. So we are done here. L1 L2 plus M1 N2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. So this implies that line 1 is perpendicular to line 2. We will underline this. Okay. Now again we will show that line 2 is perpendicular to line 3. So in that case we have to find the value of L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3. Now L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 equal to what? See previous page. 4 by 13 into 3 by 13. 4 by 13 into 3 by 13. 12 by 13 into minus 4 by 13. 12 by 13 into minus 4 by 13. Minus 4 by 13. Then 3 by 13 into 12 by 13. So equal to 169. I think you have understood this step. So again it's 0. So this again implies what? Line 2 is perpendicular to line 3. Again we will underline this. Now we will show that if we are able to show that line 1 and line 3 are also perpendicular to each other, then we are done. Now to show line 1 and line 3 are perpendicular to each other, we are going to find the value of L1 N3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3. Okay. Now L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 equal to what? See previous page. 12 by 13 into 3 by 13. 12 by 13 into 3 by 13. Minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Minus 3 by 13 and minus 4 by 13. And minus 4 by 13 into 12 by 13. Equal to what? 36 plus minus minus plus 12 minus 48 by 169. Again it becomes 0. So it implies line 1 is perpendicular to line 3. Again we will underline this. By using these 3 underlined conditions, that is line 1 is perpendicular to line 3, and see previous page, line 1 is perpendicular to line 2, line 2 is perpendicular to line 3, and line 3 is perpendicular to line 1. So taking all this relation in our mind, we can write that it implies all the 3 lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. So that's all for today's lecture. In next lecture we are going to solve another problem. Okay, so thank you for watching.